Heaven can wait, and a band of angels wrapped up in my heart will take me through the lonely nights, through the cold of the day. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Or should I say, Anin? Hello. Hi. You ever see an old Indian movie? The Indian guys, the white guys, cowboys will come up to the Indian, and the Indian will be like, standing just stoic. He'll put up his hand and he'll say, "How?" And people be like, "Oh man, that's a stereotype. How come they stereotype?" And then you realize, oh, you know what? In Dakota, their word for hi is how. And in Ojibwe, we always say BOOZHOO, which is sort of the, it's a little more formal of a greeting. But we also say Anin, which is like Anin, hi. But in Anishinaabemowin, Anin also means how. So I think we should bring back how, Kola. He haniwash de Dakota oyate. Good morning, my Dakota relatives. You know, my grandmother was half Dakota. She was Medawakaton Dakota Oyate. And so I have some Dakota blood in me. I don't know much. That's pretty much all I know of Dakota. But so today's Ojibwe word of the day, Anin, how, and hi. And you can also say Anin Dush, why. Or you can shorten Anin Dush, why, to Anish, why. Why? You ever have a conversation with like a little 4-year-old? And be like, "Come on, put on your boots." Why? We gotta go. I don't want you to get your feet wet. Why? Well, I don't know, because you might get sick. Why? Well, I don't know. It's somehow when you get wet feet, you can get the cold. Why? I don't know. That's the way nature works. Why? Oh, I don't know. It's the order of the universe or something. Why? Because that's the way Gitche Manadu made it. You know, all why questions go back to the creator. Anyway, Anin Dush, why? And here's a song that Michael and Natasha are going to sing called Why by Annie Lennox. Take it away. How many times do I have to try to tell you that I'm sorry for the things I've done? When I start to try to tell you, that's when you have to tell me, hey, this kind of trouble's only just begun. I tell myself too many times, why don't you ever learn to keep your big mouth shut? That's why it hurts so bad to hear those words that keep on falling from your mouth. Falling from your mouth. Falling from your mouth. Tell me why. Tell me why. I'm may be mad, I may be blind, I may be viciously unkind, but I can still read what you're thinking. And I've heard it said too many times, you'd be better off besides. Why can't you see this boat is sinking? This boat is sinking. Let's go down to the water's edge. We can cast away our doubts. Some things are better left unsaid, but they still turn me inside out. Turning inside out. Turning inside out. Tell me why. Tell me why. This is the book I never read. These are the words I never said. This is the path I'll never tread. These are the dreams I'll dream instead. This is the joy that's seldom spread. These are the tears we shed. This is the fear, this is the dread. These are the contents of my head. These are the years we spent, and this is what they represent. And this is how I feel. Do you know how I feel? Do you know how I feel? Do you know how I feel? Oh, do you know how I Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons on the guitar. And my name is Natasha Nindeja Nikos. And you have been watching BOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO. Yeah. Give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Nicely done there, Michael. Hey, thanks so much.